And hi, welcome to another day with Aaron. And today we are heading to an event with SM Beauty. But before that, nagpunta muna ako sa dentist kasi nagpa-appointment ako for the adjustment of braces and malapit na rin siyang matanggal. I'm super excited. Again, bus transportation po tayo, MRT, and bababa ka lang sa Ortigas, lakad ng onte, and you're here at SM Mega Mall, Mega Fashion Hall. By the way, nagpalit pala ako sa CR and then onting retouch lang ng makeup. Gusto ko pa sanang magdagdag ng kilay and then ng eyeliner pero hindi ko na na-push through. And this event is for the So Much K Beauty last September 8. Yes, last September 8 yan. With some of our favorite Korean products, Korean beauty brands. And there is a program earlier this event talking about different K-beauty products. I also met Trisha here on TikTok. Hi, Miss Trisha. I also met Brigading, the brightest star. This is my second time to be in SM Beauty event. The first time is last June, which is the So Much Pride event of SM Beauty. And now, the So Much K Beauty. Hopefully, maka-attend pa ako sa other events ng SM kasi super fun pag SM talaga yung may event. So, if you have the love for K Beauty brands, available na siya sa SM Beauty. So, if you want to drop by, go ahead and check SM Beauty counters there. And this is me heading home to Laguna because I'm a Saudi girl. Yes. And nasa kayo ko here sa Makati. Glorieta, Juan Ayala. Yes, dyan yun. And then heading to our home in Calamba. That's it. Bye.